Hey girlfriends, it is Gabrielle Ishell and I look like a boy. I'm gonna go change that real quick. Hey girlfriends, it is Gabrielle Ishell and I am so excited to share with you guys my thoughts and first impressions on the Sienna Naturals collection. This is the line by Issa Rae. I was actually watching a video, and I said this in my last video. I was watching a YouTube video. In the video, this girl was talking about black-owned brands that we need to try, and one of them was Sienna Naturals, and I had no idea that it was Issa Rae's line. I'd never even heard of the line before, but that was one of the brands that stuck out to me because I never heard of it before. So when I went to Target that same day, I'm like, and I see it on the shelf, I thought that that was a sign. I'm like, I really need to try it. So guess what I did? I tried it. So I got 4 products from Target: the H.A.P.I Shampoo, the Untangled Conditioner, the Do Magic Leave-In Conditioning Cream, and then I also got the Anti-Breakage Styling Oil. So those were all from Target. When I got home, I went on their site, and I think the site is pretty cool because you're able to take a quiz and you like input the facts about your natural hair, and they spit out which products that they recommend for you. It was cool that I already picked up the products that they recommended me to get, but I also, from scrolling through their site, I also saw that they had a deep conditioner, and I did want to try that out because I'm looking to try out different deep conditioners as well. I think that is one of the most important steps of your wash day routine. It wasn't at Target. I looked online, I looked in the stores, and I did not see it, but I saw it at Nordstrom's. I ordered it online and it shipped to me within 2 days, which was really nice. I was not expecting that at all. But that is none other than a plant power protein and moisture repair. So I like that it has protein and moisture. It is a balancing deep conditioner. I really like that. Let's first talk about the packaging. It looks very luxurious. Like, it's just so simple, but what is this, a matte finish on here? It just gives it a little boost in appearance, I guess. Like, look at this. To me, packaging is very important. It can make or break my decision to choose a product just from looking at it, just like first impressions, not hearing anything about it. So I really like the packaging. I just pulled the site back up on my phone, and all their products are no SLS. Don't know what these two things are. SLS, SLES. Anybody know what they are? Just let me know in the comments below. And I'll also do research after reading this, but I don't really know what those are. No parabens. It's responsibly sourced ingredients. No artificial fragrances or dyes. It's vegan and cruelty free. There are no mineral oils or silicones, and they are salon tested for textured hair. So that is a good list of things that these products offer. First, let's talk about the H.A.P.I Shampoo. The H.A.P.I Shampoo, it's a moisture-rich shampoo, and it gently removes buildup that can hinder hair growth without stripping it of its natural oils. It helps restore your curl pattern, detangle, and smooth frizz. So in the clip that you are seeing now, you can see that there was a curl pattern. I can see my curl pattern, and my hair did not feel stripped. Key benefits of this product are to deliver nutrients to support healthy hair growth. It coats, conditions, and protects hair without weighing it down. It attracts moisture and helps revive the curl pattern. All of which I think the product really did. So it really stood up to its name and what it was intended to do. The shampoo is made for all textures, parched or damaged hair, relaxed or colored hair. So it's for everyone. It's not just for natural hair. It's for literally everyone. And I like that. I just applied and massaged this into my hair and scalp, and it felt really good. My hair did feel very cleansed after using it. I went about 2 weeks without washing my hair, so I know I had a lot of product buildup, and my scalp really did feel clean afterwards, and that's one thing that I'm looking for in a shampoo. I want something that cleans my scalp without stripping it and making it feel dry. So I'm going back to smell. Oops.
So I'm going back to smell. Oops.
Dang, I spilled a lot of it. It's $18 down the drain, Gabrielle. What are you doing? So I felt like the shampoo was had the strongest smell. I think this one smells like, it's sort of like I want to say like an old lady perfumey smell, but it's not horrible, if you know what I mean. Next we have the Untangled. It's a softening multivitamin conditioner. This hydrating and antioxidant rich complex softens hair and adds slip to simplify the job of detangling your curls. It doubles as a leave-in for frizz taming and ultimate shine. I wish I would have known that before I bought the leave-in, because I could have skipped this one. That kind of sucks. I applied this after I rinsed out the shampoo, and like the bottle says, it did provide a lot of slip so that I could prepare myself for the deep conditioning step. So for the conditioner, let's smell this one again. This one smells like the earth, really. It's not horrible and it's not the best. After using the conditioner, I went in with the Plant Power Protein and Moisture Repair. And this product is a vegan repair mask that provides strength to strands and is formulated with pea protein. Never had that before. To bind moisture, hydrate hair, and prevent breakage. The plant-based protein is much milder than traditional proteins, creating an effective treatment even for those with protein sensitive and low porosity. I'm low porosity, and I know that I'm not supposed to have too much protein too often, so this was good. It wasn't too much for my hair. The benefits of this product are to strengthen and increase hair strand elasticity in dry, brittle, heat damaged, and colored or chemically treated hair. It's also supposed to boost shine and restore hair's natural vibrancy. Also, the scalp soothing blue tansy oil calms and prevents irritation. I've never even heard of blue tansy oil, but it does sound like something like kind of exotic. Going into this wash day, my scalp was a little irritated. I was itching my scalp throughout the week because, like I said, it's been 2 weeks since I last washed my hair. So my scalp was very itchy, very irritated. And these products, like I said, with the shampoo, the conditioner, deep conditioner as well, but these products left my hair feeling clean, and it also removed that itch that I had in my scalp. On the jar, it says to use 1 to 4 times a month, I guess depending on your porosity or your sensitivity to protein. I don't plan on using this any more than once a month, so I will go to the lower end of the spectrum. It says apply mask generously to hair, saturating the entire strand, cover with a shower cap, and allow to penetrate 5 to 10 minutes. I let this sit on my hair for about 10 to 15 minutes, and I sat under a hooded dryer as well because I am low porosity, so it takes a little bit more for product to penetrate my strand. So I added that little step in. It doesn't say that on here, but I did add that myself. It says comb through hair with fingertips or a wide tooth comb, rinse with cool water. One other thing I didn't do, as it says on here, I didn't rinse my hair with cool water because cool water is supposed to seal in the moisture, but as a low porosity person, I don't want to seal in that moisture just yet because I want to put in a leave-in conditioner and seal that in. So I don't want to close off my cuticles at that step. I do recognize that this was a protein conditioner, so I wasn't really expecting much from the moisture side because they put more of an emphasis on the protein. So I did like it after washing my hair out. It did feel very nice. It does feel very strong and strengthened. The deep conditioner also has like an earthly scent to it. It just smells like it's fresh and natural. So these are natural products, and they do say there's no added scents to it, so I do like that. After using the deep conditioner, I went in with the Do Magic Leave-In Conditioning Cream, and like I said before, I didn't know that the conditioner could be doubled as a leave-in. This powerful botanical blend hydrates, softens, strengthens, and protects against moisture loss, all without leaving a filmy trace. Hair stays remarkably soft and smooth even after styling. You're supposed to use this daily or post cleanser on wet or damp hair, leave in or rinse out. So basically, I could have just bought the conditioner because the leave-in you can also rinse it out. And what's the point of having a leave-in that you can rinse out? So I'm really kind of upset that I bought both of these products. This is $22, $20 that I could have saved. Maybe if I just would have read. I didn't read it, so I guess that's my fault too. But they also recommend to get both when I took the quiz, so I don't know. I applied the leave-in right after I got out the shower, and I put a shower cap on top of it so that it can really penetrate the strands like I wanted it to and not just sit on top of my hair. So I did that, let it sit for about 10 or 15 minutes with the shower cap on, and then I went to styling. I really did like this leave-in conditioner. It was very lightweight, so it didn't feel like it was weighing my hair down. It did leave my hair feeling very, very soft and moisturized. It was a really good conditioner. On the site, it says low porosity. The lightweight polar oils such as baobab and coconut oil penetrate the hair strand to deliver much needed moisture and nutrients. And it also says something for high porosity too. It says baobab and shea butter moisturize and protect dry, thirsty curls. So I like that they're intentional about the differences in our hair. No product is perfect for everyone's hair, but I like that they acknowledge that there are differences in porosity, and therefore that might determine which products you use or how you use a product, and they say that in the directions or the little blurb online. I really like that they're addressing the different types of hair. After using the leave-in conditioner, I went in with the Lock and Seal anti-breakage styling oil. Very, very nice as well. On here it just says apply to wet or damp hair after leave-in conditioner and before final styling products. Reapply throughout the week to smooth curls, boost shine, and add elasticity. This oil so far on the website is the only thing that I see that it says for kinky curly hair. The anti-breakage blend is engineered to seal down damaged hair cuticles, hydrates parched curls and dry ends, and seals in moisture for ultimate curl protection. Okay, they're also going into science here because it says helps replace lipids and fatty acids that are lost during styling. I don't even know what that means. It also says it protects your hair for your next style and gives weight and shine to textured hair. It's a very light oil. It's not thick at all. I just put some in my hand and it just went down my hand. It doesn't weigh your hair down at all. It's very lightweight. And I'm just going to read to you some of the oils that are on here. I think this is a good blend of oils, and there are some oils that I've never used before, so I think that's pretty cool. I don't even know how to pronounce this first one. I'll probably put it on the screen. The next one is grapeseed oil, shea butter, ethyl esters, coconut oil, castor oil. There's a few flower oils. I don't really know the names of these flowers, so I'm not going to butcher them. Jasmine flower leaf extract, Rosa damascena extract, orange flower oil, canarium cumane gum oil. There are quite a lot of oils in here, so I do really like that they're bringing oils. I have never had some of these before, a lot of these before actually, so I do like that, but it was a lot. It was $25 for oil. So I usually don't buy oils from brands because I can use the oils that I already have in my house, but I also do like here that they're providing oils that I wouldn't normally use. So that was pretty cool. I think it did help. Like after using all these products, my hair did feel very soft and smooth and moisturized. So now after using all these products, the big question is, would I repurchase it again? I hate this little thing. Just stay in this place. Would I repurchase these products again? Overall, I did like these products. They were natural, and you can smell that even in the scent. Like they smell like they were fresh, they were natural, and no artificially flavored or scents or whatever going on. So I did like that. I love that it's a black owned company. I love the packaging. I love the conditioner and shampoo. I love Issa Rae. Her Awkward Black Girl on YouTube was amazing in college, and I love Insecure. I just love her all around, and I'm so glad that she came into the natural hair sector. It looks like a lot of celebrities are making their way into the natural hair sector. You have Tracy Ross, you have Taraji P. Henson, Gabrielle Union. So I really like that they are embracing their natural hair, and they have that platform to to promote whatever, and they're promoting their natural hair like that. So I do really like that. The shampoo and the conditioner were my favorites out of the whole line. I love that the shampoo was moisturizing and not stripping to my hair, and it felt very cleansed after using it. The conditioner was also very good. It had good slip. It helped me detangle my hair prior to doing the deep conditioner, and I like that. However, the deep conditioner, the leave-in conditioner, and the oil, I might not repurchase these again. I think everything that we have here, they did their job, they did what they're supposed to do, but I just think that it's redundant to have both the conditioner and the leave-in conditioner, especially when both of the bottles say that they can be used as the other. And then the deep conditioner, I think it was a good protein conditioner, but I also think that there are cheaper proteins that I can use for my hair. So I'm not gonna say that they didn't do their job, because they did. They were good in doing what they said they were gonna do. Have you tried the Sienna Naturals line by Issa Rae? If you have, leave me a comment down below. Just letting me know if you liked it or not, and what your porosity is, if you're low or high porosity. And if you haven't tried these products, do you think you will try them in the future or no? Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, and also click the subscribe button and the bell to be notified whenever I post. And until my next post, I will see you guys later. Bye.